Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to verify your PayPal account. In this video, we will talk about PayPal. We will show you the sign up and account setup processes. We will show you how to add and verify your card and bank account as well. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these things. Let's start with a short introduction to what PayPal is. As you can see, we are on its home page. PayPal is nothing but a payment platform. It provides a faster and safe way to send and receive money online. Here you can see you can shop from millions of stores online. You can fly through checkout securely. You can link and pay with your card of choice. And it is an all-in-one secure account. Now let's look at the sign up process. For that, click on the sign up button on this top right side. Now you need to select your account type. There are two options. You can choose between individual account and business account. For the individual account, you can send payments only, but with a business account, you can receive and send payments as well. We're going ahead with the individual option, so we're clicking on it. Now on the next page, you need to select your country from the drop-down. After selecting your country, put in your mobile number and then click on the next button. An OTP will be sent to your mobile number. All you need to do is put it over here. You'll be automatically then redirected to this page. Here, enter your email address and then create a password. After that, click on the next button. Following this, you will need to enter some basic details of yourself, like the first thing is your nationality, then enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then your address as well. Now, after entering all these details, scroll down, accept the user agreement and privacy policy, and then click on the Agree and Create Account button. Now, in order to continue further, you need to mandatorily add your card details. So that's what you will be doing on this page. You need to add the details of either your debit card or your credit card. So the first thing is to add the number of the card, then select the card type and put in the expiration date, security code, and the billing address. Once you've entered all the details, click on the link card button over here. It'll take some time, but now you can see that PayPal has started verifying your card details. And if everything you've entered is correct, then you'll be taken to this payment page. Here you need to authorize a transaction of $0. This is just to verify that the card details you have entered is of a valid card or not. So this kind of a transaction will take place and you will receive an OTP to the mobile number that is linked to your bank account. And then you need to enter that OTP over here and then click on verify and proceed. And after successfully authorizing the transaction, you'll be taken to this page. Here, go ahead and click on Go to your account. And then you will be taken to your dashboard. So this is your PayPal dashboard. As you can see over here, the interface is pretty simple. Let's do a quick walkthrough of this simple interface. On the top navigation bar, you can see that there are tabs for dashboard, which we are on currently, then send and request, then payment methods, then there is activity, and finally there is the help tab. On the top right side, you can see this is where you will find all your alerts and notification. Next to that is the settings icon, and lastly is the logout button. We are currently on the dashboard tab. From this button, you can send payments. You can pay someone for purchases or a service that you have received from somebody. And here you can request for payments. That is, you need to click over here to get paid for selling something or for some work that you have done. You can also see the send and request buttons over here. For sending and requesting payments, you can also use the send and request tab over here at the top navigation bar. Now, if you click on this more icon, then from here, what you can do is download the PayPal application on your mobile. Then if you have any issues or some disputes with a payment, then from here you can visit the Resolution Center. Below, you will see all the details of the linked account, bank account, and the details of your card as well. This is the card that we had entered during the sign up process. So whatever you've entered over there at that time will appear over here. So that was a complete walkthrough of the interface. Now let's go ahead. Let's move on to how you can link your card and bank account to your PayPal account. For this, you need to click here on the link a card or bank account option. It will take you to this page where there are two options, as you can see, link a debit or credit card and link a bank account. From here, you can link your debit or credit card, and from here, you can link your bank account. Let's try adding a card first. So after clicking over there, you will be taken to this page where you need to enter card details. It is the same form that appeared during the setup process. You need to add the details of either your debit card or your credit card. So the first thing is to add the number of the card, then select the card type and put in the expiration date, security code, and the billing address. Once you've entered all the details, click on the link card button over here. Close this page, let's go back, and now let's move on to add a bank account to our PayPal account. So click on the link a bank account over here, and then you will be taken to this page. Over here, you can see you can add your bank account in two ways, either by using the IFSC code method, and then there is the second method, which is using the bank's name or location. We're going ahead with the IFSC code option. So we're just going to use some pseudo information for the IFSC code, account number, etc. So after you have entered the NEFT IFSC code of your bank and then you have entered your account number, you can also edit your name as it appears on your PayPal profile. You need to make sure that the name that you have entered over here is the same as that is there on your bank account. We recommend that you change the name in your profile on PayPal first to whatever name it is on your bank account before you're doing this process. So anyway, once you've filled all the required information over here, click on link your bank. Now this is a verification process. So whenever you want to link your bank, what PayPal will do is it will be doing a transaction. This is just a demo transaction. So the process over here is that PayPal will send two small deposits to your bank account. This is for verification processes. You should be receiving these two small amounts in 3 to 5 business days. So you need to keep checking your bank statements. And then once you have received the deposits, then again, log into PayPal, select the bank account from the payment methods tab, and then you need to enter the deposited amounts to confirm your bank. So as you can see over here, you need to do that and then click on the OK button. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to verify your PayPal account. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you've liked this video. If you have any suggestions or you want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.